Hey, what's up, everybody? Yes, look at this.
Hey Trev, I got your message. What are you all excited about?
What's up, dude? Check it out. We got a gift from LG UltraGear.
Yeah.
And I thought, who better to unbox and open it than you and I?
Me?
Yes, exactly.
Me?
Check it out.
Oh, thanks, bro.
We got a letter from him as well. Do you want to read it?
No, you read it. You're the carry today.
I'm typical, carrying every single
I'm the
broadcast.
support.
Right, LG UltraGear, as the official gaming monitor partner of the LEC, is delighted to showcase something very special to the talents. That's us.
That's us.
The LEC fans, which is all of them, and every League of Legends player at home. Powered up, this monitor enables the best League of Legends experience to date. Dear Quickshot, dear Caedrel, please enjoy this exclusive first look at this very special LG UltraGear monitor.
Oh my god, we're the first. How
We're the
exciting.
first. Look at this. Listen, you build the stand.
Yep.
And while you build the stand, I mean, take a look at this artwork. You got the League of Legends logo, you've got what? Marksman, support, assassin, fighter. I mean, check this, you've even got Riot Games down in the middle. The artwork's on the stand as well.
Yeah. It's crazy, isn't it?
What's your main? Because I know you used to be pretty bad at jungle and mid.
I would say fighter.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
I'm a bit of an OLED one trick myself.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right, you got that nice and safe.
Yeah, you ready?
Got it.
I'll click.
Click, there we go.
Boom.
Oh, that is just stunning. Man, look at that. Hold on, what did it say? Powered up, this monitor enables the best League of Legends experience to date.
We should power it up then.
We should test that.
I haven't
theory.
had that in ages. Engage. League of Legends.
That is
UltraGear.
awesome. It's literally like loading
It's
the right
fully
clients.
integrated. Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's such a great wallpaper as well.
Then we got Vi, we got Jace, we got Caitlyn. We got a League of Legends themed setting.
It's
selection.
literally the animations as well. I mean, that's just awesome.
Okay, what else we got here?
Wait, hang on, this is lighting, right? Okay,
Yeah.
change it again. Dude, that literally changes color on the back.
What are we on?
You can change it. We're on red now. You have to leave it on red.
Okay,
It's,
let's
it's
leave
the
it on
right red. I mean, that's just
And then
absolutely
you can
awesome.
change the looks of the screen.
Yeah, and obviously settings for the different games you're gonna play.
Yeah,
I mean, that is
240
just great.
hertz.
Dude, you can go
on
to
a
remote.
remote. Right, that's exactly what I was gonna say, on a remote.
You just lay in bed, change your
nuts,
settings,
right?
make it the best that you want.
That is crazy.
Okay, so listen, there's only one thing left to do. You have to take this monitor for a test. Spin up League of Legends, see how it goes. While you do that, I'm gonna tell everybody at home exactly what this monitor can do. Because you see, the 27GR95 QL League of Legends Limited Edition is not only the most stylish gaming monitor, but also comes with a 27-inch Quad HD screen to bring you the optimal size and resolution to play your favorite game, League of Legends. It comes with a borderless look and a super thin panel, or put simply, a nice and clean design with a beautiful touch of League of Legends on the stand and the back of the monitor. Thanks to the 240 Hz refresh rate, you will be able to react quicker than the enemy's flash, and probably even quicker than me, yours truly. Experience the OLED technology with the self-lighting pixels and an incredible 1.5 million to 1 contrast ratio. This monitor is fantastic. You'll be able to see everything that happens in the game, whether it's on the Howling Burst or on Summoner's Rift. And with its 0.03 millisecond response time, you will always be aware when you need to dodge that deadly wombo combo of the enemy team. And as you've already seen, this limited edition monitor has the amazing League of Legends themed GUI with that booting graphics and all the settings menu. So the game already starts with the first press of that power button.
And it's mine.
No, whoa, hang on. There's one of them.
Yep.
So 1v1 on Howling Abyss, I am an ARAM god.
Okay, deal. And I'm still a pro player.
You were a pro player. It's mine.